So while we're inside, I'm basically going to be coloring my roommate's hair, and what you can see is that from her root she has some gray hairs and a balayage that was done a while ago. So it's a little bit brassy on the ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, from her root to mid-strand, I'm actually going to color it with a dark chocolate brown level 5. And then from the mid-strand to the ends, where it's all brassy, I'm actually going to darken it as well. Do that with a level 7N and give it a bit more depth and richness and color. So we're going to brush through it. She has naturally really curly hair, so you want to be careful, especially when you're doing a haircut, that you don't add too much layers and make the hair really frizzy. So we're going to end up leaving it slightly on the longer side so that it doesn't get too puffy and frizzy.